tiasi ahodimu kosweti ahenkan 93.3 obeye abozege
nokura mesemo se afi nchalba nenso antu nipa nyina nti so nua afi akwa akora beto ya yemfa urusi enyi ye bofo na ye mema ahenkan atiefo nyina afihia pa afi nko meto ye da afi sese na ahenkan so aye dedede medindi biliman ba akope mema obibia afihia pa abozege
abusiafo menya frem oprompon opokwale ahenkan fm sports presenter yamu atiefo ya dofo nia afihia pa yesre nyakopon se afi sese no aye obia akoma so ade ediamano yamamu nia afihia pa o afihia pa
Ganafo kwaku anin kusi boadu aka miau atiefo edomo yedam ase papa pa mama afihia pa wodone akoma pa ne taya mutayechi afi ba ku nyanya mi hwa mo pa na afi ebesimu no nyama bebre ho no de mamo afihia pa abozegi
haba afi asena subiem ahenkan fm yemo bibia afihia pa e office say na bibia koye zamayen ye bad moji atum dia me ka ne de afihia pa kofi agiri nie eji
empanfo se afinchari bawo nanso emu nsem ye bebre enye nipa nyina na beto won twedi ampopa se kwam yadom ayi yadom ahenkan 93.3 fm yene ye na tiefo yadofo afia kwakora ba beto ye biema yedamase midin ade adwenpan ne kofi mensa tre papa na papa eni wani mukan
midin ade Joshua Kwabena ejenim ahenkan 93.3 sports department afi asanko ababeto ye bio emamu nyina afihia po abozege
afihia po DJ
afibako yadamase monkoso a na montie yen afio ye best in the east abozege
azuruni yefie asase suhei
Ghana adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ate edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM
asase suhei ya kwetio
FM
Oyi fonso bebamu, abebu abulia. Ewana wakuma wo, weja padinina. Yemfa asidama otiasifo nyankopon dia waboye ho ban nana dum eda so doso ene ye benada December ne de toso enson adia ba kwa me pesa wotiasie say you cannot get it all rosy all the time. Sometimes I was sabrabono a bit scary. Sometimes I will say a bit sorrowful. Sometimes I will say a very, very joyful. Ningina ne kabum. Ene ma brabono edimu. This is how we choose to start it this morning. Live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Broadcasting from the studios of Ekuya Frakoma. Achema boabo na yewo. Ano pa me gidi se Kristo Yesu adawroma. Oho ye. Sene ye nso ye ho ye no. Come on. Not ye besa koni not ye mo. Ene so besa koni sumu. Ebaye adijani mwana ye besandi akro ye ba yam fashi ameria simu ye konso ayem fashi ku obi bisa se adenti ena no pedi e wode nwumwe na ahase eduru ba bia wo se me ma wote abrabo ase kakra ye mu bebre asetena ye da so te no ye nim senia esombo edefa a free afinin fitiansie January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. We are in the month of December. To date, Obin said down hunu summa sombo so we better say from January and yababe pum December. I don't know what's up me mao eka kai wo ho kakra na wo ti ase say we began the year with some people, and as we speak, we cannot find them. We can't find them, not because they have traveled, hoping that they will return. They've not traveled. They are gone and gone and gone for good. We will never see them until the last day of resurrection. And in Tiano Pay, what I saw here, Fasida, Famasa Ferrade, Faye Famasa Ferrade, Adichie be any pewu, Adichie be any pewu, Sima be any pewu, don't she be any pa ewu. May the departed souls continue to rest in the bosom of Father Abraham. It is a what you say. That is the greatest gift ever you can have. And it be one of fast da. Fama otia sifonya nkropon. Asafo Awurade oni yen adini yie. Awurade oni yen adini yie. Bible Kramayati say it is good to go to a place where people are mourning rather than a place where people are jubilating, celebrating, making merry. When you go to a place where people are mourning, the likelihood that you will learn sense out of the situation is high. But when you go to where people are making merry, it will be difficult for you to learn sense from the event. I don't pray. I just want you to have that sober reflection to yourself where God took you from 1st January. A lot of things transpired along the way. Some of us, we thought that was all. We fell sick along the way, and it was so terrible and mind-boggling. But here we are today, strong and kicking. We never believe. We never believe. Only pamedin komo, thinking say everything is fine, not knowing the person is hiding something from you, and then the next minute you receive another distress call, and the content of the call, the person you spoke to just about 2 hours or 3 ago, the person is no more. How does it feel? Very terrible, very painful. And it is a what you say. Oh yare, onu medru na unyankwa na what you say radini wedding ye. Obapa Christia to nyumbi. What's it? Glory. Senka branti be hwehwe glory amame. Nanko the glory atum. Na ye tie the lyrical content of glory composed by Obapa Christia. Afei obetia se wotia se na ye ka se fast da man radia, you will understand that subject, that particular subject. Praise God, thank God for how far He has brought you. The radia se one pen so do abedru. When we command you to say thank God for how far He has brought you, and then you will keep yawning. When we instruct you to thank God, na say you will thank God. Obapa Christian you more tree and tiemunsem. To me didi kasa na Yesu adoma me won kwan wa hoden na Yesu adoma enya wonyina akenga Debio obi anom so wonte ase wa hoden me didi kasa na Yesu adoma It's kind of a mixed feeling. I would have walked a crown and move. And DJ Kakrana move. But a radi baby hene. Mami Samu Akwaba Fambra Hinkai 93.3 FM. And then so exactly 1 year. Ghana for na kokoto something koto aba. So okay, 4 more for Nana. Na Okada so nam half. Okada, hey! Internet, what we would do is Yebeka kakra. And me sorry I no pay looking at the way I wear dano and in Yoma air corner is kind of a nostalgic feeling. And this morning what we do is we will have a retrospective reflections on past events, how our politicians, you know, running up almost some leading to the very day which is a year today, a year ago. Sabriya na Ghana for ato something ya ye kwakoto aba nti ene ene afe pepepa Okada ena ni nua ba ko no am friend saying 2020 ye to Nana and Endra come and see 4 more for Nana people trekking. They trek you guys will be trek here wonante o twa ne nam kasi ho pa na 4 more for Nana for ni twa mu nam betel samia Endra na bi mu bisa say 4 more for Nana na say 4 more si amanga maka no kre ye ba ko fe bi mbo bre sem dia bre o Taba Nana Everybody say Nana, the glory belongs to you. And when you mean come out 4 more for Nana for my idea papa mo Obi so abro Okada e ka ndra nka munyina nka mutu Okada mo se mo mpe 4 more for Nana no name Ade Yam famano eyesu eyono eba kengereba aba enu tinano pay you better have a bit of memories na ya kaka idea esi last year by now no na o henfa we will talk about it mami ko na you go for you brain some farmer papa what me kan no pay mama achen umpum boko de if you more brain some send e call
you mama na if you more brain no ma me fan to bia say see am farmer na e bo no eni no asesa you see a southwesterly winds no e call form ama e bie kwan ama yenya winds no farmer no efi northeast and then northwest the friend no northwest and northeast trade winds na asha say bo into northern portions of the country Bole Tamale Bogatanga Yindi na Brungu Nandam Nanderugu and Wale omu yemo so no akojina 34 degrees Celsius na if you move we saying senior omu adequate na I find the visibility no e be reduce so and so benya dust particles ewo afi over coastal areas na mpoano kita aflawa down Pemankran Sopo Cape Coast Crab Azim Takwa Hapa Sini if you move so 33 degrees Celsius na make us say infamana airborne kakra bebo ewo coastal areas no nti yebenya hazy condition kakra afi yaba inland areas na Obuasi Sunyane Techiman Kumasi Bonokin Tampo Ejura and an pattern so no if you move so 33 degrees Celsius afi yaba eastern portions of the inland areas na Samankese Kufurudia Akimodan Abuabo Fonse asene bate bibi ni achianse akweti aswedru ena insaba omubi emotion no kwa kodina 33 degrees Celsius ema mfamana ebono kakra ebebe wo samia no nti we say inland areas na to the eastern portions no mfamana ebono bit me asesa bacteria kakra abaya system no nti omo tonton nuane wo kwanche na ya omo nkata so se na be ya bacteria ejime nsete wo nuane a omo tonton wo no so nde tibi mu bobre no
okay Papa Bibi ni abesa ba bi mu. Nyamia apima tete egu o matete ato no nkwadia eni ase da se wonkwa yemfa manu enu ti se nyum bi bana me adopt ya na che se nyum no nyansa e wo nyum ni mu me adopt nyum keke what is me bo nyum wa ha na nyum no ma se da tena ase asensa ama mahunu se nyum no nyansa e wo mu. When you listen to the lyric me nyum no so mo to a eya dede kunkron na hu hia me o maame ba ku se o to nwom beteatem sa wa Ghana ha me mpere nwom sei utie nwom ni mu nsem na all kanu a na fei watie wo honhom mu utie wo honam mu wia na watie wo honhom mu na atumi aboa papa if at all for Bible na kasima enum na yemfa enche nyame asem ye wia na yen sorry so sports emeto aso mfa ma ene ade a yesua ne behunu ewo Proverbs chapter 29 the verse 2. Proverbs chapter 29 the verse 2 no eho no mo ene ye behunu na ntim patcho fa Bible no na yenko yenganim tentem mebre no already eko fa Bible no na yenko yenganim ti Proverbs chapter 29 the verse 2 ene na no pay ye kenkan obofo a oba na no pay oba ya semu a ode ba ye ne se there are so many wicked leaders akandifo a omutirimu odin omu ya take over ewiase and nti yen Christopher no ye frɛ ye ho ye ne ye sie ye Christopher no this is the time e was ye original ye nine so na ye kasa ditia empanimfo a wo ye wudifo empanimfo a wo mutirimu odin. When we talk about leaders who are wicked, leaders who are miscreant, leaders who are greedy, leaders who are self-centered, when we talk about leadership, the point of view, and I say the only word I am a type by in trim mostly are politicians. But you know what? I have said it here, and I will continue to say Osha Ghana, the population, according to the Ghana Statistical Service, a population of 30.8 blah 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 million Ghana for. Sa 30.8 blah 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 million no say o de tun sani eswa politicians are only 4% out of the population, and it is say 4% out of the entire population, you know, are too powerful na omo eba be too influencers na omo Ghana ha. We will continue to blame them for nothing. And yamani bebre koswa a leadership from the grassroots and wasn't come put two things together because the we blame politicians sometimes for nothing. Listen, when we talk about leadership, leadership you have a leadership over there, and when a wicked man take lead of a group, the people suffer, the people struggle. Oh yeah, papa, you are a leader of that family. Wabusiana wabono, oyene wo mano, you are a leader over that abusia. And it is a unya papa we ye wudini, unya papa we ye wicked. Na oba be dimuswa, en kwadane bre, they struggle. Unya mamia we ye wudini ya wonya badaya, en kwadane bre. And in Tianope, when you hear of leadership, and I can say a candia and Franco Shaman your phone, Momo, and pay me also Ghana bring na free one me because Okotri abai one in Yamono, abai one way and on person over heno, abai one so up in the Trimuan or Diao, or Nisi Campo or Difidia Clan or the Necraco school. Enti akwalana baba be ye vagabond in the society. Plan ye because of a selfish and a wicked father somewhere. And I render omo ye sadie no. And in Proverbs chapter 29 the verse 2. O Bible na ready and patcho fana yanken kanko ye nim ye bre no aye bre say when the righteous are in authority, when people who fear God are in authority in the family, when husbands become righteous, when husbands become God-fearing material, the people rejoice. Because omanya papa or wa badaye, omanya papa osuro nipa, omanya papa wanya kotre. Because me ka papa wanya kotre on tiase me chire ma chire o. Kotre ni nipa aboa e bandi na chi kotre. Gise bia wo ka chere me se we hia kotre na we kura ne bansa o de ne kwan o so de ne ko ayi anti salo de care na me ko bie no. E de mo friend Montessori. Me ko school papa. Wa so ne nsa o de ne kwan hia o se kotre eja kotre o de akwala ne ko o se me de ne ko school me hunu bi da. And if you are a father and you shy away from your responsibility, I don't see the difference between wo one kotre. Bible say, when the righteous are in authority, when righteous become fathers, when righteous become husbands in the family, the people rejoice, the children rejoice, the wife rejoice. When mothers become righteous, when mothers become God-fearing, the husbands rejoice, the children rejoice. But when the wicked beareth rule, the people mourn. Say a trimodinfo, a udifo kakabinfo. Eba beye papa. So an opay so papa ye trimodinia. Who problem pa? Say o maami ye trimodini. Ye wo maami fo bi ya ka say maami fo ne de o ya bada. Ho ka kire o. We have such a wicked. Listen, wicked. Say Bible qualify will be so a wicked. That person is tantamount to devil. Me ka tantamount na e brofo. Maami breaking it down et ase. One bronsam o me ye pepe. Bible qualify will be said this person is wicked. One bronsam o me ye pepe. Ano pay awurade ma ne mparo se wo be ye ja, wo be ye wicked. Awurade ma ne mparo se wo be ye maami wo be ye wicked. Wo a wutie mi ano pay a unim baabi a wo mane nam papa a unim baabi a wo mane nam maami a unim baabi a wo mane nam. Bury your head down in shame. So yes, we are. Then begin to look for your children. You are a mother, you don't know the whereabouts of your children, and you sit here claiming, touting yourself. Say wow. Na sa nkwa siawo no. Sa na ye wan ko bi anwe. O wa wuni baby abane nam. O wi anu aka tell say eni apobon. When the wicked be in authority, the people suffer. The children suffer. The children suffer. We are talking about leadership in our homes. Leadership in our homes. Fire politicians and one be at wafa. Leadership in our homes. When the wicked be in authority, the people suffer. O ma mi tiri mu odin ankwala ne bre. O papa tiri mu odin ankwala ne bre. Ene awurade e ma awofo a wo musuro onu awurade. MPM firi Ghana. No mo mehwe o mo ma. O wona won hwe o ba wa jimi kura che wiase nipa nyina. I'm telling you. Because akwada no amfa pepa amfa amrew. Say me pese me ba na wo me. Na wa akoye wo nkwase ade awi a wawo no. Afei you leave the child at their own detriment. O akwako bu nkwase atopano. Then you leave the children to suffer consequences. If you are a father, you are a mother, and you are not playing your duty as a father, you are very wicked. And the struggle of your children, no, nina a back county. Now, why we are, it will hunt you. And then a gentleman yet call so Yami Adumechina, you will take it to a different level. Into we are mama, we are papa, you are a leader, we are candini, and we will be a righteous mother, be a righteous father. Nema o mano, almost as ninja. There is no joy, and we will fear her because papa no fitiano pack up men, wabro said tam, unia nimpon what they are chenebat na see 24. Ma men also so, or not so in secura and to see a dear be on tenefie. And to train your mother man qualano, or more baby in penny for that. A radio room, adumuru ankoso anka ho na te ase say obeye righteous leader now be in authority the people will continue